Did you know? There's one spice in your kitchen right now that could actually help you age better. It's not exotic, expensive, or hard to find. And you probably use it without realizing its powerful anti-aging benefits. That spice is turmeric. For centuries, turmeric has been used in traditional medicine for its healing properties. Its golden yellow color comes from curcumin, a compound loaded with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory effects. Aging isn't just about wrinkles. It's about your cells getting damaged over time. Free radicals, stress, and inflammation all speed up the process. Turmeric helps fight this damage by protecting your cells from oxidative stress. Studies show that curcumin can support brain health, keep your joints flexible, and even improve heart function. How can you use it? Simply add half a teaspoon of turmeric to your tea, warm milk, smoothies, or meals every day. For better absorption, pair it with black pepper. It boosts curcumin's power by up to 2,000%.